Hello children, good morning. For interconversion, we can write the reference chart. This is your reference chart. We need a reference chart, and it has the rule number 1, moving from left to right. Moving from left to right, moving from left to right, you multiply by 10 each step. Suppose moving from left to right, if you move left to right, okay, if you move left to right, you multiply by 10 each step. 10, here you can write down the 10 multiplied to 10, and if you move here, you will write the 10 multiply 10 multiply 10. Okay. It means when we move right to left, left to right, we write down the multiply 10. Each step moving from left to right, you multiply by 10 each step. Move one step right, multiply by 10. Move 2 steps right, multiply by. If you move 2 steps right, multiply by 10 multiply 10 equals to 100. If you move 3 steps left to right, then you write down the 10 multiply 10 multiply 10 equals to 1000. Okay, similarly, and we can do so and so on. We can. Okay, rule number 2, if you move 10 10 10 10 10 और यहाँ से मल्टीप्लाई 10. ठीक है, तो मूविंग फ्रॉम राइट टू लेफ्ट, यू मल्टीप्लाई बाई 10 ईच स्टेप. And rule number 2, moving from right to left, divide by 10. Divide by 10. Divide by 10. Divide by 10. Okay. And move, divide by 10. When you move right to left, every step will be divided by 10. Moving from right to left, you divide by 10 at each step. Now divide by 10. Okay. Similarly, now look the question. This is your question. 1 kilogram contain how many gram? So we move kilogram, octogram, decagram, and gram. We move left to right. Left to right. One step means one. We write down the 1 kilogram equals to one step 10, two step multiply 10, third step multiply again 10. Give us result gram. So 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram. Is it clear? Okay. Now again you can see decagram. You have to convert decagram into gram. We write down the decagram. DAG decagram, gram, decagram and gram. So me move only one step. Decagram to gram we move only one step. We write down the decagram. 1 decagram equals to, you move only one step, and one step left to right we multiply by 10. We write down the 10 gram. I already told you, moving from left to right you multiply by 10 at each step. So we move only one step, so we write down the 10 gram. Okay, 1 decagram consists 10 gram. Similarly, you can see here 1 decagram equals to how many decigram. So you write down the decagram. Here you can see decagram or decigram, which relation. This is your decagram and this is your decigram. So we write down the decagram. 1 decagram equals to one step left to right give us 10, again multiplied to second step. So we have 2 steps. So we write down the 2 dg. Decagram equals to decigram, 100 decigram. Okay, 1 decagram equals to 100 decigram. So we write here 1 decagram equals to 100 decigram. Okay, now look, gram and kilogram. Gram and kilogram. We write down the kilogram, hectogram, kilogram, hectogram, and decagram, है ना, and gram. So we move gram. 1 gram equals to 1 gram equals to 1 gram equals 1 gram. So we write down the kg, hg, dag and g. Okay, this is you write down the reference table. Now gram, look here. Here is a gram. Gram से right to left one step give us result. Divide by 10. ठीक, उसके बाद one more step also give us divide by 10. Sorry, we write down the kilogram, hectogram, decagram and gram. We move one step right to left, second step right to left and third step. These steps give us 1 gram equals to 1 upon 10. इस स्टेप का हो गया, ठीक। फिर इस स्टेप के लिए मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10, 1 upon 10, और फिर स्टेप के लिए एक और 10 आएगा, ठीक। तो फाइनली ये क्या बनेगा, इट विल बी, वी कैन राइट एज 1000। और कहाँ पर पहुँच गए थे, kg पर। सो वी राइट 1 kg। ओके, सो वी राइट डाउन द 1 gram equals to 1 upon 1000 kilogram. Similarly, this is hectogram, hectogram and kilogram, ठीक। hg and kg. We move only one step, right to left, so we write down the 1 hg यानी हेक्टोग्राम इक्वल्स टू 1/10 kg. ठीक, तो इट वॉज योर आंसर.